Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mandy and today we are back with another advent calendar unboxing. Today we have the Body Shop Box of Wishes and Wonders advent calendar. Before we start, can I please ask that if you're new here to please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because that is the only way to be notified of all upcoming advent calendar unboxings. Today we talk about all things body care with this very big advent calendar. Now the Body Shop products are usually super affordable and I haven't tried a lot of them, but the ones I have tried, like their shea butter, have been really amazing. The packaging is a lovely green box and it opens up to this beautiful festive Christmas pop-up, and there are 3 levels of drawers below it. You can also reuse this box, which is so nice. So this one has all 25 full-size products and it's valued at 409 Australian dollars. Now this is all full-size products in every day, and that is super impressive because lately the advents have had minis or travel sizes. Now for the rest of the unboxing, I will be referring to full size as their biggest options and minis as their smaller options. Now this is retailing for 260 Australian dollars and I'll leave a link below on where you can get it. Our first product is in the lower level here, and we have the full size Avocado shower cream. Now this one is 250 mils and it smells so beautiful. It's like a really light avocado and coconut cream scent. This retails for 13 Australian dollars and is great for dry skin. The texture is super creamy and it's also vegan. On to number 2, and it's in the second drawer. We have the full-size Camomile Sumptuous Cleansing Butter. Now this one is 20 mils and it retails for 10 Australian dollars. This one is perfect for removing really tough makeup that's like waterproof. This is a really beautiful cleanser and makeup remover that also doesn't clog up your pores. Now this is perfect for people with sensitive skin and also for contact lens wearers. Next up is number 3 at the top, and we have the full-size Edelweiss liquid peel. Now this is their gel liquid exfoliator. It's super gentle and works on sensitive skin. This one is 100 mils and is packed with double the concentration of Edelweiss, which has amazing antioxidant properties. The bottle is also recyclable and this retails for 35 Australian dollars. Now this could be used 2 to 3 times a week and it has been dermatologically tested. Day number 4, and we have the full-size Mango Hand Balm. I think this one is limited edition because I actually couldn't find this on the website. Now it is 30 mils and it retails for 9 Australian dollars. The hand creams are honestly so lovely. It's meant to last up to 96 hours. The formula is actually non-greasy, non-sticky. It absorbs super fast and it's perfect for keeping in your bag or for traveling. Now the scent is actually so amazing. It smells like a mango dessert. Box number 5 is the full-size Boost Exfoliating Hand Wash in the Mandarin and Bergamo scent. Now, funnily enough, I actually ran out of hand soap recently and we went to Costco, could not find anything, everything was sold out, so this has actually come at a perfect time. Now this is 250 mils and it's retailing for 26 Australian dollars. This smells of a lovely citrus scent, which is my favorite when it comes to hand soap scents. You can really smell the mandarin in there. Now this is also vegan and the bottle is of course recyclable. I also love that it doubles as a hand soap and an exfoliator. On to day 6, and it's the full-size Moringa Shine and Protection Shampoo. This is 250 mils and is designed to bring dull hair back to life. So this is vegan and the scent is almost like a beautiful frangipani or jasmine flower. Now this retails for 15 Australian dollars and of course the bottle is recyclable. Day 7 is a small box and it's the full-size Strawberry Lip Balm. Now this is made from scented strawberry seed oil and it's 10 mils and retails for 7 Australian dollars. So this is a very lovely strawberry smell and this lip butter is meant to really hydrate and soften up the lips. So if you watch any of my previous advents, you'll notice that I always mention that my lips are trash, and that is why I'm always looking for the best hydrating lip products. Number 8 is a big box, but it's actually quite light. And we have the Bath Lily Large Ramie. Now the original one is a little bit different from this one. It's actually retailing for 6 Australian dollars, but they are in that netting sort of material. This one is made with Ramie, a natural plant-based fiber, whereas the traditional bath lilies are using plastic netting. I actually really like this one. It's super classy. Moving on to day 9, and we have the full-size Moringa Shine and Protection Conditioner. Now, you already know how I feel about shampoos and conditioners being on different days, but these are both full sizes, so it's pretty reasonable that they come in 2 different days. This one is also 250 mils, has that beautiful floral scent, and retails for 15 Australian dollars. Day 10 is right next door, and we have the full-size Vitamin E Hydrating Toner. First of all, it smells absolutely incredible. It smells very refreshing. This one is 250 mils and retails for 21 Australian dollars. I love that it's alcohol-free and packed with vitamin E. This one also doubles to remove any makeup and remaining cleansers. Next is day 11, and we have the Vitamin E Quench Sheet Mask. Now, this is a sheet mask packed with vitamin E, and it's meant to hydrate your face in just 15 minutes. I absolutely love sheet masks, so this is definitely getting added to the collection. I like that this locks in hydration for 24 hours and is suitable for all skin types. This normally retails for 8 Australian dollars or 3 for 22 Australian dollars if you wanted to buy multiple. On day 12, we have the full-size Mango Bath Blend. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love mango scented items, and this one did not disappoint. Now, it does feel a little bit stronger in the scent because it is a bath blend, meaning it goes straight into the bath. So when you compare this scent to, say, the hand balm, it's not as strong in the hand balm because that one goes straight on your body. What I love about this is it's a blend of superfruits and vegetables, which is rich in antioxidants and vitamins. The scent is a really nice blend of passion fruit and mango. Now, this is 250 mils and retails for 20 Australian dollars. On to the halfway mark, and it's day 13, and we have the full-size British Rose Body Yogurt. I can actually already smell the rosy scent from outside, and it smells incredible. Okay, so this is 200 mils. The texture is super light, and this is a body yogurt. So I've never really tried body yogurt before, but it's meant to be super fast absorbing. Now, this one is 20 Australian dollars. Next up, we have day 14, and it is the full-size Almond Milk Lip Care Stick. Oh my God, first of all, I'm obsessed with the smell. Something about hot milk just brings a lovely fall vibe. This is great for dry, sensitive lips, which I definitely have, and this one retails for 9 Australian dollars. On to day 15, and we have the Pink Clay Facial Cognac Sponge. Now, I had one of these a long time ago. I don't know what happened. I actually lost it and I never got another one to replace it. But just seeing this in the advent makes me realize how much I loved cognac sponges. They don't sell this one on its own, but a pack of 3 retails for 20 Australian dollars. I love that this sponge buffs away dead skin and works really well with cleansers too. Now, this pink clay one is specific for leaving your skin fresh and bright. They also have a green tea and a charcoal one too. We move on to day 16, and it is the Mini Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. This mini is 15 mils and retails for 10 Australian dollars. There's just something I love about charcoal masks. I think it's the fact that it sucks out dirt and impurities and takes out the excess oils, especially for like the T-zone area. This only takes 5 to 10 minutes, and it's made with bamboo charcoal, green tea leaves, and tea tree oil. Definitely something I'm very keen to try because these should unclog the pores. Box number 17 is the full-size Pink Grapefruit Shower Gel. It's a very zesty grapefruit scent, not too overpowering, which I really love. This one is 250 mils and retails for 13 Australian dollars. It has a very light gel texture and lathers up really nicely. Okay, day 18 is the Mini Mango Sugar Body Scrub. Another mango product, and this time it's the body scrub that will help buff out your body. This is a sugar body exfoliator. It's 50 mils and retails for 12 Australian dollars. It honestly smells like fresh mangoes, and I love that it works for dry skin too. Next up, we have day 19, and It's the full-size Avocado body lotion. I love that they included the shower cream as well as the body lotion in the matching avocado scent. This one is 200 ml and gives 72 hours of hydration. So we all know that avocado is super hydrating. Now this is a very rich and creamy texture. It's also very lightly scented. Now even though it has a rich and creamy texture, it actually does not leave a sticky after feeling. There's nothing worse than a sticky body lotion, right? Now this one retails for 20 Australian dollars. On to day 20 and we have the Mini British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask. Now this one is 15 ml and retails for 10 Australian dollars. This has that beautiful rosy scent and is a gel mask infused with real rose petals, rose essence and rosehip oil. This one is very nourishing and soothing on the face. Day 21 is the full-size almond milk hand balm. You guys already know how obsessed I am with the warm milk scent, and this one is supposed to be it. It's very subtle, so nowhere near as strong as the mango one. This one is also 30 ml and retails for 9 Australian dollars. We move on to day 22 and it is the Edelweiss sheet mask. Another beautiful sheet mask, and this contains a concentrated serum with peptides and retails for 10 Australian dollars. This is meant to give your face a glow in just 15 minutes and it's suitable for all skin types. Next up is day 23 and we have the full-size Himalayan charcoal skin clarifying night peel. Now this is 30 ml and it's used as almost like an overnight serum. You're meant to use this before you go to bed on clean skin 2 to 3 times a week, and you can apply your moisturizer on top of it too. This one works overnight to make your skin more clarified and smoother. Now I am so excited to try this one and it's retailing for 45 Australian dollars. Second last day and we have the full-size Shea body butter. Now they are actually really well known for their body butters, or the Shea body butters, and I actually have tried it and absolutely love it. This is 200 ml and has a lovely light nutty scent. I actually really love those Shea body butters because it's non-sticky, non-greasy, and it provides up to 96 hours of hydration. Now this one retails for 29 Australian dollars. Our last day and we have, this is a full-size sleep calming pillow mist. Now prior to unboxing Advents, I actually have never tried pillow mists before. I've only recently started trying them because of the Advents. This one is 100 ml and is a lavender scent. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really not a big fan of lavender scents, so this one is probably not for me, but this retails for 30 Australian dollars. So this is the Body Shop box of Wishes and Wonders. What did we think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. So I am really glad that I got the biggest box that they had on offer. There was actually 3 options and this was the biggest box that Body Shop had for Advents. Now I am so glad because all of these were in full sizes and I actually get to try them and see which one I like. Now this is also the first calendar that we got that had all full-size items too. And I really love that this brand is super affordable. So if you're thinking about getting this advent calendar, I will leave a link below on where you can get it. Now we are getting really close to Christmas, so make sure you get it before it's gone. As always, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I'll see you in the next video.